then you know, oh, okay, now you realize there's good and bad in team A, team B, and team C already. Then you know, okay, this guy is very useful in team A because of this, and then you can keep in mind KIV this guy in future if you want to get him in your future A team. So that's how I would do it.
So when you secure the best team around you,
Yeah.
do you share information with another driver or you don't?
Usually no,
No. All right.
because we are competitors, ma. In terms
If it's your teammate,
teammate, as in like second driver.
yeah, correct.
So far,
Or a second driver with a two-car team. So do you share information?
usually I pick the second driver is someone who is very trustable and close.
Right.
So we don't simply pick any driver. We choose the drivers also. So like last few years, when I won the Malaysian Championship Series, I was partner with Eddie Liu.
Eddie Liu.
Yeah, he's one of the really legendary racing driver. And of course, his skill is better than mine. So actually, he share his skill with me. So actually, he's my sifu.
Right.
And I learned a lot from him. So we are a very good pair. This round, Eddie is driving for another team, so we cannot engage.
Oh.
But we engage Mark Chiu. He is also a fast driver and willing to take criticism. So we are happy to have him on board. So if we feel he's need to push, then we will push him. Yeah. So we trust him, and we feel that this year's our team is in good hands.